This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. Worth more than a cup of meal, pockets full of skrill. Why your man calling on me? Make him pay my bills, I don't give a fuck. I get fucked up about shit. Big girl wheels when I'm pulling up. Fuck out my face, you don't know me. And I can't let you hit cause you ain't low key. Pillow talking ass. All this red looking like a blood G. He wanna give me everything like he owe me. But you don't know me. I get it on my own. Smoke by the ounce, boy, I'm smoking by the clone. No breakfast in bed, give me that head. Eat it like dessert and we gon' need a new spread. Cause I don't care what you think. Cause I got all this money on me. Burn tree, get green like guacamole. Cash cry like a pilot, high like a giant. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tag, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tag, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. Hey, okay.
So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. I am pleasantly surprised with this wig. I think it's super pretty. I got a 20-inch and the color is like a chocolate brown. I'm gonna link everything below in case you guys are interested in checking that out. I would highly recommend that you guys bleach the knots. I really didn't bleach the knots because I didn't take into consideration that the knots were dark because it's like a chocolate brown shade. So I kind of assumed that the knots were, you know, light enough to finesse, which they were. I didn't bleach the knots at all. However, when I do take this wig off, I will bleach the knots. But you guys, I love it. I really think that this is my color. It's just like a nice little brown shade. Like, it's chocolate brown. I normally don't ever do this much when it comes to installs, but I told you guys I'm really trying to learn and do a better job. Let me just pull the hair front for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like, just like straight to the front. So this is what the hair looks like, just all to the front. When it came to flat ironing the hair, it took really well. It's crazy because when I first washed the hair was thick. Like, washing the hair and then letting it air dry, the hair was really thick. So I feel like this is like a Brazilian kind of texture. Y'all know what Brazilian hair feels like when it's like thick, but it's not like silky. But if you are to like press it or flat iron it, it does get straight because this is straight hair. But this is the kind of texture that's like really textured, and it just feels so nice. The luster and everything just feels so real, and I am 110% here for it. I think that the lace HD, like HD transparent, the type that really just blends so well into your skin, like I could have just not cut it and it would have looked like it was still growing out of my scalp. It was that kind of lace. I would 110% order from this company again because I just like the experience. In the beginning, you guys did see that it came with a cool little box that had my face on it. So I like the fact that they make you send in a picture if you want to. They make you send in a picture and they kind of customize a little drawing on it for you. It just makes it feel like you're a beauty blogger and you have a wig collab. That to me is special. That to me, I'm going to keep that. I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to keep it it because it's just like sentimental. It's kind of like, oh my gosh, look at this wig, what it would look like if I had a wig collapse, something like that. So I think that that's super cool. It just makes the experience of getting the wig that much better, and it came with a lot of additional goodies. Like I said, I would 100% order from this company again because I love this hair, love the quality of the hair. And normally I'll be taking off wigs, like I go through all this trouble to put it on and then I just take it off at the end of the day. But it's my birthday weekend and I'm going to be rocking this hair. I absolutely love it. It was crazy because finessing the hair itself, everything was super easy. Everything, I'm just laughing because I just can't believe I really did the duck dizzle on this hair. And Divasis, y'all have outdone yourselves. You guys have really good wigs, and we can do this again. Like, this is cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I answer everybody's comments. I'm not that kind of beauty blogger who just be, I'm too good, I'm too busy. No, I'm not. I love to answer you guys' questions. I like to make these videos for you to know that you can do it. Like, you know, you can install your own wig. You don't have to pay somebody $150 to install the wig after you didn't pay $250 to buy the wig. Like, just go on ahead, install it. You got this, sis. I'm gonna link everything below of what you need. And I told you, each video of me doing my wigs is gonna get better because I'm getting better and I'm having more confidence. It really takes for you to have confidence in yourself because, honey, you can't tell me that this is not my hair. This hairstyle is so cute. This hair color is so cute, and I'm just so here for it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Ariana Grande by, oh, see, I didn't bobby pin this one. But honey, she's cute. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.